Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to navigate between cross-sections in ESurvey CADD and how to view longitudinal sections. In this video, you will learn how to navigate through cross-sections and longitudinal sections. To view cross-sections or longitudinal sections, select the Preview button from the toolbar. When you create cross-sections by importing data from Excel or CAD, all the cross-sections can be viewed in this window. Select the Cross-Section tab, which contains all the section numbers listed in a tree view control. Select the cross-section you want to view. The respective cross-section will be displayed in the drawing area of the preview window. You can have a closer look at the cross-section by zooming and panning the drawing. If you want to quickly navigate to a particular section, specify the section number in the text box adjacent to the Go button and click Go. You can also export the drawing to a CAD package. These cross-sections can be highly customized as per your requirements using the settings options provided, which are explained in the following videos. To view a longitudinal section drawing, select the Longitudinal Section tab and click the View button. You will be able to view the longitudinal section drawing. The longitudinal section drawing is created automatically using the zero distance values available in each cross-section. You also have the option to partially view the longitudinal section. Specify the from and to values in the Longitudinal Section tab and click the View button. The longitudinal section between the specified chainages will be displayed. In the next video, you will learn how to change the properties of cross-sections and longitudinal sections. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.